Hello viewers, I am Anbarivu. Today we discuss about Excel Basics Formula for Beginners. Before going to the video, still if not subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for latest update. Today we see the basic formulas: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, sum, average, maximum, minimum, count, countf, if and AND. For any calculation must enter equal to, otherwise it does not solve. Enter equal to, select G3 plus F3, enter, you get the addition value. Next subtraction, enter equal to, select F4 minus G4, enter, you get the subtraction value. Next multiplication, enter equal to, select M3 into M4, enter, you get the multiplication value. Then division, enter equal to, select M3 divide by M4, enter, you get the division value. Next sum, go to the formula, select sum, select the variables, 4 subjects, enter, you get the value. Drag for remaining students. Likewise average, select average, select the variable, enter, you get the value. Drag for remaining students. You can increase or decrease the decimal. Options available in toolbar. Next maximum, go to the formula, select max, select the variable, enter, you get the maximum value. Drag for remaining cells. Next select minimum, select the cell, you can get the minimum value. Drag for remaining cells. Next count, go to the formula, select count numbers, select the variable, you can count the cells or numbers. Drag for remaining cell. Next countf, select the column, go to the formula, select countf, enter the cell, select the cell, use the criteria, I need greater than or equal to 35, enter, drag for remaining subject. Likewise for fail, number of fail, countf, select countf, select the variable and giving the criteria for failures less than 35, enter, drag for remaining subject. Next if condition, if condition is a true or false condition. I am selecting one subject and checking is it pass or fail. Go to the formula, select if condition, select the value, I am giving greater than equal to 35. For true I am giving pass, for false giving fail, enter, you get the result, is it pass. I am dragging for remaining subject and dragging for total remaining students. Next uncondition, in if condition you can check single variable, true or false. In uncondition you can check the 2 or more variables. Enter equal to, I am giving if condition if, and also I am giving uncondition and and open the bracket. I am selecting D3 greater than or equal to 35, comma, selecting E3 greater than or equal to 35, comma, selecting F3 greater than or equal to 35, comma, selecting G3 greater than or equal to 35. Close the bracket, comma, you pause, comma, then fail. Enter the double quote top of the pause and fail and close the bracket, enter, you get the result. Drag for remaining students. Next, overall pass. Overall pass you can check with COUNTIF condition. Go to the formula, select COUNTIF, select the cells, use the criteria, pass, you get the total numbers 8, total pass 8. Overall pass percentage, enter equal to, select the total pass cell J17 divided by 10 total number of students. Then give the for percentage, click percentage symbol in top of the toolbar. Thank you.